Namaste. Today I'm going to share with you Brussels sprouts stir fry. I got all these Brussels sprouts from my garden. I do organic gardening and this is my first time I'm growing Brussels sprout. It's coming out pretty good. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. This was only half, so 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then 3 cloves of garlic. Finely chopped, you can see I minced it actually. And then kind of saute a little bit, and then you can put pinch of salt. Salt is as you like, and then pinch of salt, and then your Brussels sprout. And you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. That's it. You kind of cook it in a high heat for a minute or so, and then another 2 or 3 minutes you do on a medium heat. And I would like to use cayenne pepper flakes. But if you don't like so spicy, you can use black pepper. Anywhere from, I would use it, just a little sprinkle with the cayenne pepper flake, because I like low spicy. Sometimes you can do the jalapeno also. If you have fresh jalapeno, you can do the jalapeno also. This tastes good with anything, with your rice, with noodle. 2 more minutes, it'll be ready. This is how it looks right here. Brussels sprout within 5 minutes. And then I also, since I have quite a bit in my garden, I also decided to make a dip. Dip is really easy also. Same, a pound of Brussels sprout, finely chopped. And then you use 8 ounces of cream cheese. And you use 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons, and pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So you melt the butter first, and then you add your Brussels sprout, then you add your cream cheese and Parmesan cheese, and cook it in a slow heat for about 5 minutes or so. This was cooked about an hour ago. It's kind of sticky, but it melts when it's warm. It melts, but you can put it in the refrigerator and eat it, like put in your chips, put in your bread. It's a really nice dip, homemade dip. Brussels sprout have so many antioxidants. It's good for your health. It prevents cancer, diabetes, heart disease. It's full of nutrients. Thank you for watching my YouTube.